Hercules, hero of song and story, Hercules, winner of ancient glory, fighting for the right, fighting with his might.
I've had this horse and a half Hercules for about a year now. I haven't really done anything to it. It's just been sitting here. I stripped it down, stripped the parts. I did get the other flywheel off, but it does take time to get these flywheels off. So this side of the flywheel first has the pulley. Once we get the pulley off, see if we can get the flywheel off. And I just have a kind of a modified puller here with a couple extra arms, puller, and we'll just keep seeing how this goes along. Alright, so that pulley actually came off real easy. That's the inside, the back side of that pulley with the key. I don't know if you guys can make that out, but in the bore of that pulley it's actually pretty smooth. So anyway, now we gotta get the flywheel off. So first we'll loosen off the bolt, tensioner bolt, and as you can see, there's a lot. I'm going to shut that light off. It's screwing you guys up in the camera. The LED likes to flicker away. So anyway, that's the shaft. That's the crankshaft. And as I was saying, you want to make sure that it's clean because you want to drag all the dirt back with the flywheel off the shaft because it'll just bind up and you'll never get it off. So what you want it to look like is not like this, but like this. So what I'll do is I'll clean up the ends of the crankshaft, even right down into the fine grooves there. You can see them down to the real edges and corners. And then we'll try with the pulley arms, the puller arms, and we'll see if we can get that flywheel off there. Sorry, not pulley, but the flywheel. It's nice when you clean it up, you actually see some of the old original color on it. So got some green on there, so that's kind of nice to see. You see there's some green on there on the hopper. As I say, you know, once you break that flywheel loose on the crankshaft, the most important part is making sure that crankshaft is clean in front of the flywheel. If it's not, you'll just be gathering and pushing dirt and rust, and that flywheel will just never come
in his thighs, virtue in his heart, fire in every part of the mighty Hercules.